There's Sydney with her new boots that she does not like. Sydney,
Go show Daddy your shoes.
come show me. I'll put her back on the ground.
Your feet are so nice.
Sydney, your boots are pretty. They're pretty boots.
Come on, I'll help you walk. I'll help you. You hold my hand. Come on.
Those are so pretty, Sydney.
Come back here. Okay.
Let's see you strut them.
Okay. Here you go. Come on. Good job. There you go. Good job.